Click the link in the description and watch the completed shorts. Plus, learn how to monetize and launch your own turnkey recipe shorts network with a free step-by-step video tutorial.
Let's make some delicious pork spare ribs. Check out my last video to see how I trim and prep these racks. I keep it to a minimum and it's super easy. Once they're seasoned, they hit the big green egg indirect at 2.
Okay, people keep asking me about ribs, so instead of making everyone scroll back, let's run it again. Take off the membrane, or don't, doesn't matter. Use mustard, whatever, Chick-fil-A sauce, or don't, doesn't matter. I use canola oil because it's cheap.
Hands down the best barbecue dish, beef ribs, aka brisket on a stick. Go to your butcher, ask her for a beef short rib plate, and they'll give you this. I use Chick-fil-A sauce as a binder. You can use mustard, you can use olive oil, doesn't really matter, you won't taste it anyway.
Looking for the best summer rib recipe? Look no further. Of course, it all starts with some good looking ribs. Take the membrane off.
Let's make some of the best ribs you'll ever have. Put away.